Biologics are definitely the future and the frontier of pharmaceutical development. The capabilities that we have to address very targeted diseases are growing exponentially by the year.
Our goal was to help get these drugs to patients in need. That was what we wanted to do. We wanted to be able to make an impact on people's lives.
We're a group of biochemists and experts that have been working on biologics since 2003. We work on a wide variety of biologics that include antibodies, enzymes, and peptides.
Our team collaborates with our clients to develop the best drug product formulation for their molecule and to create clinical trial material.
We take a bespoke approach to formulation development. We don't make any assumptions going into a project. We have a process here that we follow and not a platform formulation development.
We have a matrix of 10 to even 15 formulations or more in some cases, and we're trying to pinpoint which one is going to be the safest, the most effective, and succeed in clinical trials.
In our research and development group here, that is our product, is data. If you have questions about the formulation with regards to manufacturability, is it sensitive to UV light? Is it sensitive to freeze-thaw stress? Is it going to degrade because of shear stress? We build all of that into our formulation development process, and all of that data is there.
Every year we're tackling between 80 to 90 different projects, and so we've developed an enormous amount of expertise and experience. We're constantly working to optimize our processes so we can tackle the most demanding molecules.
We have 2 fill-finish suites, Facility 1 and Facility 2. The capacities here could be anywhere between a 2R vial all the way up to a 30R vial.
So fill line 1, we can do up to 10,000 liquid vials in that line. It's a fill that resides in an open room with a detached oven, so it allows us to bring many other sterile components onto that line.
We also are able to perform a lyophilization process in Facility 1.
Being that flexible is really allows us over the years to do some very challenging projects, and it brings so much flexibility for our clients.
Facility 2, we can fill anywhere from 2R vials up to 30R vials.
It's an open wrap system. We have a depyrogenation oven that's tied to that. We have a vial washer tied to that. So it's a very inline process. It doesn't give us as much flexibility as far as broad scope, but we do put out 20,000 units on that line.
We follow CFR Part 210 and 211. We want to assure that safety, quality, and compliance are our top priority. And as such, we design our work instructions and our processes to ensure that for our clients and their campaigns.
Every single conversation I have with somebody over the phone or in a Zoom or in a Teams meeting, I do encourage them to come on site. I love to showcase the facilities. I love to showcase the campus here, our warehouse, our QC laboratory, the actual fill facility suites. We will do everything to get that client on board.
Curia has all the pieces to truly be an end-to-end CDMO. If you have a challenge or an issue, we would love to talk to you and try and brainstorm ways to solve that or to overcome that. We really do want to try and help people advance their programs, and we're really flexible and nimble and willing to try and help and to be creative and think outside the box.
One of the best aspects of working at Curia is that we can help our clients at very early stages with their products. We can help them with discovery all the way to commercialization. We're always thinking of how to be ready to take the client's molecule to the next step.
When we're manufacturing here, we're also keeping in mind what comes after us, and that we need to make sure it's a process that is scalable, because at some point, once you get past clinical, you are going to want to have to manufacture larger batches, larger scale, larger number of doses. And so I think we're always looking ahead for our clients and making sure that what we're doing here is going to help them progress on their journey.
We have a vast array of resources that we can tap into that span all the way from organic chemistry all the way up through very targeted nucleic acid delivery specialists.
Curia has it all from start to finish, and that's a cool thing for us to be able to offer all of our clients.